like no place on earth. Some say to survive it, you need to be as mad as a hatter. Which, luckily, I am. Alice. You're terribly late, you know. Naughty.
I played the Mad Hatter. He's mad. He's unpredictable. To be able to do anything with Tim Burton is a real honor.
What a regrettably large head you have. I should very much like to have it. I used to have the White Queen, you know. Poor dear, her head is so small.
It's tiny. It's a pimple of a head. Stop that.
The Mad Hatter is a fascinating character. You see instantly what he's feeling.
Down with the bloody Red Queen!
Like a mood ring, his emotions are very, very close to the surface.
Why is it you're always too small or too tall?
As they travel through Wonderland, Alice and the Hatter complete one another like a brother and sister do. He is very protective of her, and she's very protective of him.
This is impossible.
Only if you believe it is.
End up in these epic battles, especially with a sword. And I've done so many as Captain Jack that the challenge is to find how the Hatter would sword fight.
We have our champion.
Being able to play the Mad Hatter and breathe life in Tim's vision was a dream come true.